BioBlitz is a curriculum that's based on some work that the National Geographic Society did to really encourage hands-on citizen science. We wanted to optimize that for Nebraska's after-school programs. So these are hands-on, engaging, kind of field-based programs that take advantage of the Think, Make, Create Labs platform. BioBlitz was a collaboration between Beyond School Bells and students at the University of Nebraska School of Natural Resources. They helped us to develop these hands-on activities and then also offered their volunteer services to help roll this out across the state.
You can run it with kids or with adults or scientists, however you want to do it. But the purpose is to understand a given area and all of the biology within it. So you can look at the plants, the animals, the bugs, all kinds of things, and basically understand how many of them there are, how many different kinds of species there are, and things like that. So you can use it at a scientific level to understand a given area, or like we are doing at an elementary level to get kids interested in biology and science.
I think it's a really cool opportunity just for them to actually interact with nature, I guess, because most of the time we're cooped up inside, not actually. So it was a good chance for them to I guess, sort of just be a kid.
We did plants and habitats the first day, and then water science on the second day, and then soil and animals and insects on the third day.
Yesterday when looking for bugs, it was really slow to start, but then we started finding some really cool stuff, and they got really excited, really into it. And it was really fun to see them all helping each other and encouraging each other with bugs.
Youth really respond to environmental themes. It's something that kids get intuitively excited about. So we want to use that excitement to help them learn some of the concepts that are going to be so important in their future education. The science, technology, engineering, and math skills that are going to increasingly drive our future economy are all part of environmental programming, and we want to take advantage of that natural interest in environmental programming to optimize student learning.
I think it's really important to get kids outside and just experience nature. There's so many parts of nature that are so important to how we live, and it's really important to understand them. BioBlitz doesn't necessarily have to teach you all the science about the water, the soil, but at a grade level of 3rd or 4th grade, it's really important to get kids exposed to it and interested in it. That way, when it comes time for them to choose a science class, they can choose based on their interest and their experience.
I think they're more interested when it's outside. They want to learn more about it, and they feel more creative, and they can do more of what they're interested in, whereas inside it's always really structured and they have to do this and this and this. So I think they enjoy it more.
It's a lot less of us leading the activity and just them able to be in charge of their own learning.
Science can sometimes seem like a lab activity or something that's really exclusive to people who have PhDs, and it's really important to see science in your own backyard and how it's important to have an understanding and appreciation for natural processes like water filtration or a watershed. And you can see that in your own backyard. It doesn't have to be in a lab, or you don't have to have a PhD to do it.
We see BioBlitz as the start of a variety, a wide menu of activities that we're going to be developing over the next several years that will give Nebraska youth in after-school and summer programs opportunities to explore conservation, sustainability, environmental protection, natural resource conservation in their own communities, and to really gain an appreciation for the rich natural diversity that really makes up Nebraska.